Izzy, say that. Hey.
I don't take much.
Say
I
that.
don't take meat. I don't take meat. I don't take meat.
Handing it to me. Smile at me.
Come on, add me a dollar.
Someone said $1 million.
Come on, Audie.
Audie. You should share this video with your friends.
I got Indian. I got Indian.
What?
Indian.
Vegan.
We call it Indian. What is it called? Indian. Stop it.
You're Indian.
Stop it. Call it Indian. You already call it Indian.
What? I'm getting yelled at, but I don't know what I'm getting yelled at.
Jelly bean.
Jelly.
I want jelly bean. I want jelly bean. I want jelly bean.
Oh, jelly. Jelly bean. What's been changed?
And that came to all that.
Hey. Give me the candle.
I love her.
Gang.
Did you just call me a skank?
Gang. Oh, stop it, Chitlin. My class. My dress.
Izzy.
What's Izzy doing? What are you guys doing to her? She's so beautiful.
That was.
Hi, Izzy.
That was that.
What are you guys doing to her?
We're listening to her.
Is she not
I
adorable?
got chipmunk.
Chipmunk? You sound like a chipmunk?
Yeah. They were talking to me as chipmunk.
They were. That's not very nice. They need to talk to you normal, don't they?
They were
But it
funny.
sounds funny, doesn't it?
Yeah. They were funny.
How old is she?
She's 3.
Three. And she's
Not
smart. You want to know what Nicholas did one time? You know Nicholas, my son?
Yeah.
This is funny. He was like 2.5, 3 years of age. Mike and I were married. We drove to Florida. So the boys ran at him, but they always wanted to pee, even after we just stopped. So we didn't want to stop at many times. So they're boys, so we allowed them to pee in like bottles, water bottles. Because, you know, he was like, oh, really in there, and yada, yada, yada. Well, Nick thought when he got back, he could still, because he was almost 3, he thought he could still pee in everything. You know, he would eat applesauce out of a little, you know, little single serve. He would pee in it. Well, one time I had a candle on the back of my commode. Okay, I saw like liquid in it. I'm like, what the hell is that? What's that? Smell?
Another candle.
Yes! Nickel peed in it. At my house, Nickel, he peed in a candle. He doesn't remember it. Not this candle, not this one. It was another candle. Oh, that one smells good. That smells like lilac. Lilac?
Purple
What is it
too.
called? Lilac?
Lavender.
Lilac.
Lavender.
Purple too.
Lilac.
Smell like.
Smells pretty.
Taylor's in the paragraph.
This is a golden candle.
What color is it?
It's what?
Purple. It's purple. Look at those flowers. Those are white. See those flowers up here, up there by her. See those flowers? That's white. And look, that's purple.
And what's the girl's name?
Lilac. I see you later.
You did?
Bye, honey.
She's like yelling at me earlier.